On the 3rd of November, CES had organised a workshop on how to improve testing methods for washing machines and washer dryers. Almost 50 participants from manufacturers, consumers, NGOs, laboratory experts, market surveillance authorities, policymaker representatives, all coming together to learn more about how product testing methods could be improved, with a focus on practicalities. The workshop assisted in sharing knowledge and experience on this topic. The active participation of all stakeholders that follow products policy is the best way of ensuring the quality and relevance of standards. How to replicate consumer use of appliances by ensuring repeatability and reproducibility of results.